Alright, I'm going to go over how to install your navigation menus. So by default, you'll notice that once you've installed the theme, your header area will not really look like the live preview because we don't have a menu set up. And the bottom footer menu also will just display as this bolded list. Don't worry, all we need to do is set those areas up. So let's go and go into our dashboard, and under Appearance and Menus, everything's going to be handled under here. So if you haven't created a menu, by default it'll already be set up for you. Enter a menu name and click Create a Menu. If you do have a couple, you can always create a new menu via this text link up here. So let's go and call our first one. Let's call it Main Navigation, since that's what's going to be in our top header area as our main navigation. So once we create our menu, let's go and go to Pages. You can click View All to view all of them. Let's just add our home page for now, and then click Save Menu. And if you go to your site, sorry, I'm going to open a new tab, you'll notice nothing's changed, and that's because we need to set our menu locations. So under Appearance and Menus, while you're editing your menu, you'll notice this big tab at the top. Click on that, and it'll tell you the two locations of navigation menus are your primary, which is at the top, and then your footer, which is at the bottom. So all you need to do is select the menu for each one. We'll cover the footer at the end. We'll go and add a secondary one down there. So we can just leave that one blank for now. So let's go and refresh our page, and you'll notice how it's set up. And we just need to add one more menu item for that to fix real quick. Let's go and add another page, and you'll see how it displays. So now we have two menu items. Now I'm going to go and add a couple just to, the more the merrier. So once we've added a bunch of menu items, you can see how they display up there. And you can do things like drag and drop to change the order. So let's put Contact Us at the end. And you'll notice that the order changes as well from left to right. So how do we do drop downs? All you need to do is you need to select an item, and let's put Sample Page in a drop down under Shortcode Examples. And all you do is you pick it up and you put it slightly indented under the menu you want to put it in a submenu, and then you'll notice that it'll add text called sub item to let you know you've done it correctly. So now our sample page has disappeared from our navigation, and when we hover over Shortcode Examples, it displays down there. Very nice and easy. So you can keep adding pages to that if you want, or you can remove pages from the submenu as well. It's very easy to adjust these options. So let's say we have a page we want to just remove completely. There's a couple of options under these drop down arrows I'm hovering over on the right of an item. So if you click on it, it'll display some additional options. One of them is Remove, so we can remove them from the menu altogether, and you'll see that we've removed the menu item. So the last thing we need to go over now is how to create your footer menu, and all you need to do is click on this text item, create a new menu, and we'll call this one Footer Menu. Create a new menu, and you can just add pages just like your other ones. So let's go and just add two links real quick. Save this menu, and then once again we'll need to go to Manage the Locations. Under Footer Menu, we're going to select our footer menu. Once you've set both of these, you will not have to do it again, but it's kind of nice and easy. That's how you adjust them. So under Edit Menus, again, let's go and actually view our site, and you can see we have our header menu that's different than our footer menu now down here. And if you want to edit different menus, you can just click this drop down at the top and click Select, and that's how you can go from footer menu to your main navigation menu.